Hi guys. Let me fix that. Welcome to my living room. So my husband's been putting the baby to bed, which has been really nice, and I've been getting a break, and I started filming paper Sloyd tutorials again, so that's what I've just been doing. And I've got a big paper mess right here to clean up. I'm about to finish the last of the Form 1, Year 2. So I need to do the pen box next. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday, and this is my April update for my health. My health is on and off again. It's getting better, but it's very slow. I'd kind of given myself a little bit of break on taking my supplements every day, and that's been just nice. We have 2 more weeks of school, and then I really want to get into a Candida cleanse. I have not been testing my blood sugar, and I have not been keto, but I don't eat ice cream, and I've been trying to avoid sugar, but I'm still eating some chocolate every now and then, and I'm eating lots of carbs, and I hear Esther talking. And that's just what it is. That's what it is. And we are excited for the summer and all the things we have to do. I still am bloated. I'm trying to exercise as much as possible. I have 3 children now, and every day I work hard and plan times to rest because I need to rest. And that's my life. So lately I have been taking a break from doing all the cooking that I do and just making some easy meals like pasta salad. I haven't been making sourdough. We ran out of frozen sourdough pizza crust. I need to make some of those. And been doing crafts with the kids and leaning into school and trying to go to the park a lot because the weather is just so nice. I wonder if I'll ever be where I was before. That's what I wonder a lot. Will I ever get back to where I was right before I got pregnant with Esther, where I just felt amazing all the time and I had a lot of energy? I'm still not sleeping through the night. Esther wakes up about 2 or 3 times to ask for milk, and she only gets milk about once. And we are trying for another baby, kind of trying we're not preventing, I guess. I don't know, I'm playing with this. We're not preventing, which after my last miscarriage, we used the barrier method to prevent, and I thought about tracking my cycle again. But we have stopped preventing, and I'm not tracking my cycle. So we'll see if I get pregnant again. I do want another baby. I don't want all the health problems that comes with pregnancy for me, but I'm hopeful and trusting God and trying to do what's right. So maybe the next health update may include a pregnancy announcement. I don't know. I'm not pregnant right now. And my cycle just finished about a week ago. Maybe it was like 4 or 5 days ago, almost a week ago. We'll see what happens. Having 3 kids and a husband who is an electrical and computer engineer does not leave a lot of time for intimacy when, engineers work a lot. And chronic illness, I am tired a lot. With 3 children, I get overstimulated and touched out, and it's a whole thing. Such is life. So that's just a short update, and I want to start making videos again. I miss making videos. I miss having time for blogging. I was thinking of, now that Esther's 2 and she can watch some TV, letting her watch some TV once a week and digging in to content creating again and doing something I love. Usually when I put her in front of the TV, I'm cleaning my house or making food or sitting on the couch like this going, what am I doing with my life? So content creating would be fun. And yeah, life is going good. It's almost 9 o'clock. I'm gonna head to bed. Tomorrow's Sunday. And I'm wearing the sweater that I made. I love this sweater. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.